If you want to use ChatGPT for programming Arduino microcontrollers, this video is going to show you the fastest way to get started with just one simple prompt. Whether you are a complete beginner or you just want a quicker way to generate starter code, ChatGPT can help you write Arduino sketches, explain what they do, and save you a lot of time when you are learning electronics and coding. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first step is to open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once you are in, you do not need a complicated setup or a long instruction list. For this example, we are going to keep it very simple and ask ChatGPT to write a basic Arduino program that blinks an LED. This is one of the best beginner projects because it helps you understand how code, timing, and hardware all work together. Now in the chat box, type this exact prompt. Write Arduino code to blink an LED with explanation. That is all you need to start. When you send the prompt, ChatGPT should generate the Arduino code for you and also explain how it works in plain language. This is really helpful because you are not just getting code, you are also learning why each part is there. Once the code appears, take a moment to review it. You should see the basic structure of an Arduino sketch, including setup and loop. The setup section usually prepares the pin mode, and the loop section keeps the LED turning on and off with a delay in between. If you're using an LED on a specific pin, make sure the pin number matches your actual wiring or the pin you plan to use on your Arduino board. After that, copy the code from ChatGPT. Then open your Arduino IDE and paste the code into a new sketch. This is where you can compile and upload it to your board. If you already have your Arduino connected to your computer, choose the correct board and the correct port before uploading. That step matters because if the board or port is wrong, the code will not load properly. Now upload the sketch to your Arduino microcontroller. If everything is set up correctly, your LED should begin blinking on and off. If it does not work right away, check your wiring, check the pin number in the code, and make sure the LED is connected with the right resistor. Even though ChatGPT can generate code very quickly, it is still important to understand the hardware side so you can troubleshoot when needed. One of the best things about using ChatGPT for Arduino programming is that you can keep building from here. After your first blinking LED project, you can ask ChatGPT for sensors, motors, buttons, displays, or more advanced projects. You can also ask it to explain the code line by line, simplify the code, or modify it for a different Arduino board. That makes it a powerful assistant for learning and experimenting. So, to recap, the process is very simple. Open ChatGPT, enter the prompt to write Arduino code to blink an LED with explanation, copy the result, and paste it into the Arduino IDE. From there, you can upload it to your board and test your project. That is the easiest way to get started with ChatGPT for Arduino microcontrollers. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.